Good morning, students. Today I would like to talk about physical activity leadership training. So physical activity, the person who involves in different type of activity which is known as physical activity. It doesn't matter in sport field, everywhere when we are performing activity that relate to our physique, that is known as physical activity. And leadership, it means the person who lead a particular group or team, that is known as leader. Training, we know very well about what is the meaning of training in our life. So today I would like to discuss about qualities of a leader or captain. So as we know very well about that, the leader who leads a particular group or team is known as leader. Behind it, he has some specific qualities in himself. First one, academically sound. Academically sound, it means the person who is our leader, who have been well qualified with good command, especially the person who have fully academically good. He can lead in a team or a group. Second one, good personality. Good personality always play an important role. As we know very well about that, personality is three types. First one, introvert. Second one, extrovert. Third one, ambivert. Personality plays important role in sport field, especially if your personality is good, then it will be helpful to do our work easily. Third one, moral character. Moral character also play important role, because when our character will be good, when our morality will be good, then it will be helpful to lead a particular group or team. Intelligent also play a very important role, because whenever any problem will be in our team or outside of our team, in our society or outside of our society, so we can utilize our intellectual ability, and after that handle it, solve our problems very easily. So next, discipline. If we are self-disciplined, it also plays very important role in any field, because if you know about Abdul Kalam, he is fully self-disciplined, and whatever his desire he wanted to do, he can do without any hesitation, because only and only disciplined life he has survived. And discipline in a sport field, especially when you are going to perform any activity, then it will be helpful, because everywhere you find rule and regulation. If you go through rule and regulation, then no any problem will be, and after that you can handle all the things in easy way. Determination also play a very important role, because when we are determined to do anything, when we are determined to achieve anything, then determination, dedication and devotion plays important role in our life, because if we want to achieve anything in our life, then determination plays important role. And master in physical skills, it means in any game, when we are skillful, then it will be helpful to lead a particular group or team or society. Expressive and optimistic. Expressive, it means when our expression will be good, then it gives good impact on students or team team members in our society also. If you wanna good leader in society, so your expression will be good. After that, you need to express your views, ideas and thoughts in proper way. If your expression is not good, then always you struggle to achieve your target. Optimistic also play a very important role, because we know if we are not optimistic, so we face lot of problem. Because if we want to achieve something, so it can be possible when we will be optimistic. Failure is the pillar of success. It only and only those who are thinking positive. So optimistic also play a very important role in leadership. Role of a leader or captain. Group representation. It means the leader who leads a particular group must be good representative also, because when his representation will be good, then it gives us good impact on his team member or group or in society. Because in simple way we can say that presentation plays important role. If you present yourself positively, then you don't have any problem to achieve your target. Opportunity to direct. It means when we are going to direct something, our direction plays also important role. Because when we are going to direct someone or a team or a group or society, so we need to get that opportunity in positive way. We need to do hard work, and after that prove our ability in the field of direction. Reduce stress. It means when we are doing our work positively, then no any stress will be in our mind, in our body. Because when we suffer from any problem, then stress will be. So when we are going to do anything successfully, then no any type of stress will be in our body, no any type of depression will be in our body, no any type of anxiety in our body. As we know, anxiety is so bad for us, but stress is also, depression is also. So sometimes it is so harmful. So we don't need to take any type of stress that will bother our mind, our physical ability. Better discipline. It means being a leader, being a captain, we need to show our discipline. Because when leader will be disciplined, then member will be also disciplined. When leader is not good and not disciplined, then lot of problem will be faced by bothered by team members. Inspire others. When we want to inspire to others, like there are so many personalities, those personalities are inspired by people. People also inspired by them. But like Abdul Kalam, Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, rest of other, there are so many leaders, those who sacrifice their life only and only for our nation, in field of sport also. So we inspire with them, because being a leader, being a good leader or captain, we need to apply such type of qualities that prove our ability in any field. Close relationship. It means being a captain or leader, we need to maintain our relationship with our society member, our team member, our school member, our teachers, students. Like when you are going to teach in any class, student teacher good relationship always give positive benefits in their education. Because when teacher will teach, student will apply it in positive way. It shows only good relationship between teacher and students. Good medium to convey. It means when we are going to convey someone somewhere, so we need to apply, we need to say easy words and try to make them understand. It means understanding is good, but when we are going to understand anything, the convey medium or convey plays important role, because when we know whatever we know, need to express in right way. सही ढंग से अगर कहा जाए तो कन्वे करने का तरीका या जो हम बता रहे हैं उसका तरीका अगर हमारा सही है तो हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी। हम उस चीज़ को अपने मेंबर्स के साथ, अपने टीम मेंबर के साथ, अपने समाज में, अपने स्कूल में, हर जगह इसे अच्छे से एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं। तो ये दीज आर रोल ऑफ लीडर्स, those who have performed nicely, they will be success or to achieve their goal in their life, in their field. Because as we know, Abdul Kalam, Sachin Tendulkar, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, Roger Federer, Novak Djokovic and rest of others, those personalities are good leader along with good captain of their team. That's why they achieve their target in their life. Thank you. And today's homework is discuss the qualities of a leader or captain. Second question, explain the role of a leader or captain.